Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find trash on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. We can use multiple different apps in order to find the recycle bin, depending on which one we use on a daily basis. So I'm gonna try to show you some of them. So let's say if you go to Photos, if you use Photos app, then you can go to Albums, and then if you scroll down over here you will find Recently Deleted, and here you can find everything that you have deleted in the last 30 days, and eventually you should be able to either delete them all or recover something. So over here we have Restore. Now if you use a different app, let's say we're gonna go to Photos by Google, then over here you can switch to Library, and here we have the trash folder, and as you can see we can also find the same video. Another app that we can use is My Files, and here in order to find recently deleted items, once again we need to scroll all the way down, and over here we have them. Now in this case unfortunately that video is not here for some reason, and if we go to Files by Google, then over here we should be able to find trash by tapping these three lines over here in the top left corner, and here we can go to trash, and here the video is present. You can select something to restore or delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!